A few years ago, a professional football player, Damar Hamlin, went down on the field with something called commotio cordis. This means his heart quite literally stopped beating just because he was hit in the chest at the right moment. If athletic trainers weren't there, he would have died within seconds. A big part of our job as athletic trainers is to be ready for those horrible situations that nobody else wants to be put into. I played soccer for a good 14 years of my life. I loved the environment of being involved with the team, and my teacher was an athletic trainer. That was where I really got my first understanding of the world, and everything just kind of fell in place with Miami having a kinesiology degree and then being able to transfer to the master's program. This program is incredibly hands-on. We learn how to treat, diagnose, evaluate our athletes. The students in the program are all very close to each other. When we learn a new evaluation technique, we learn how to do it on each other. When we learn how to use a new piece of equipment, we learn how to do it on each other. Along with that, we have our clinical rotations where we are able to take the things that we learn in the classroom and immediately put it into use on real live athletes who have real problems going on. Dr. Brooks and Dr. Davey, they love teaching us. They really want to make sure that we all understand what's going on because they also do realize the importance of learning this material now since we need it for the rest of our life. With athletic training in particular, every single thing that we do in class directly translates to our career. We are no longer learning hypotheticals, we are learning real things that we need to do. We're learning these muscles that we will be dealing with for the rest of our life. We're learning the techniques to treat these muscles for the rest of our life. I do want to work with women's collegiate sports. I definitely think that is the environment I am most suited for. I've also thought about getting an education PhD so I can come back and teach athletic training students. A lot of people believe that we are only in colleges, we're only in professional sports, but our profession is rapidly growing. You can work in a clinic, you can work at a high school, you can work with younger kids, places like NASA, places that you never thought would need an athletic trainer, but actually do. Miami's master's program is incredible. I have had an incredible year partaking in this. Miami really develops an environment that wants students to succeed. The staff here really will do everything in their power to make sure that you are gaining the information that you need to be successful later in life.